welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Life with Tiana. I am about to install this 12-inch bob lace front wig on my head. It's 13 by 4. It's 180 density, pre-plucked, and it's supposed to be a glueless wig, but I did install it with glue. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna put this link for this wig down in my description below if you want it. So guys, I'm about to do this ball cap method on my head. So I'm cutting the ears so I can snatch it on properly. Cut my lace good. Cutting my ears. Fixing the wig cap properly. And this is the cap that come in the bag with the lace. So I'm not sure which color it is. Now I'm applying my Got2Be spray, the extreme old around my hairline, as you can see. And now I'm just applying it enough to hold it down. Then I'm going to blow dry it. So yeah, now I am going in with my foundation on the highest speed. Give it a couple minutes to dry. Then now I'm using my foundation, the liquid, my color, I think that is the 355. And yeah, I'm just rubbing it in. Now I got my scissors to cut the middle part as I go. Guys, I'm doing this at the top of my head because what? I'm not a pro on doing my hair, but I am learning as the day goes by. Here I am cutting off the lace as far as I think my hairline is. So here we go. Now I'm using the alcohol to wipe off the excessive dirt off my forehead. Here I go. Guys, I'm still learning to do the ball cap method. As you can see, it's not properly laid, but it's okay. I think it did work for me, guys. And here I am putting in my glue, my lace glue. Yes, this is a lace glue I'm using, guys. The white one, you can get it from the beauty supply store. I am going in, guys. I applied about 3 layers, so I put it there. I let it dry. Then I rub it in. I put another set. Let it dry. Now I'm cutting the lace off my wig so it's not on my ears. Guys, as you can see, there's some glue on my wig cap because I forgot to cut the side part before. So here I am struggling to cut it. Now I am going to pull down the lace over my forehead as far as I think it can go. Then I apply the elastic band around it to make it dry. Now I am using the glue to hold on my hair so it freeze, keep it there. Then I use the comb to comb it down. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm cutting the lace off my hair with my razor. It's an hair razor, guys, so you can get it from the beauty supply store. There I am cutting the lace off as best as I can do it. Then now I am doing the edges. I try to part it out, then I use the comb to give it Guys, guess what? So when I was using my phone to record, it decided the storage wanted to be full. So I was like, I'm not gonna stop my video for this. So I used my tablet, my iPad tablet to finish the video. So I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And watch this video if you like it. Comment down in the comment section what kind of video you would like me to post. because I'm coming back, baby. I'm coming back. Now I'm doing my edges, as you can see. Yeah, they got to be gel to lay my edges down. I'm not a pro at making edges, remember that. So that's it.
Guys, this was the outcome of the wig. I love it. It looks good. Guys, I couldn't record everything because my storage was full, and every time I try to record, it keeps saying I don't got enough storage, and I ain't paying for no more storage. I've paid enough money monthly. I ain't taking no more money from me. So this is the outcome of it. I like it. It's really nice. I think I did great for my second time installing a wig on myself. I think I did good, but you know, they say practice makes perfection. So this is what I'm gonna be rocking for the rest of the week.